Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Toyota 2.58 25 FKS engine is another prominent member of Toyota's dynamic force engine family, designed to deliver a strong combination of power, efficiency, and reliability. It's widely used in popular models like the Camry, RAV4, and Lexus ES250/NX250. Review and opinions. Overall, the A25 FKS is generally well received for its smooth operation, good fuel economy, and ample power for everyday driving in the vehicles it powers. It's often praised for being a significant upgrade in terms of both performance and efficiency compared to its predecessors, like the 2ARFE. Performance. Owners typically find the power delivery to be linear and sufficient for most situations, including highway merging and passing. While not a performance-oriented engine in the sports car sense, it provides a confident driving experience for sedans and SUVs. Reliability. Like other dynamic force engines, the A25 FKS benefits from Toyota's reputation for long-term durability. While some specific issues have emerged, detailed below, the overall sentiment among mechanics and owners points towards it being a reliable engine, especially with proper maintenance. Advantages. High thermal efficiency. This is a hallmark of the dynamic force engine series. The A25 FKS boasts a peak thermal efficiency of around 40% for the gasoline-only version, which is excellent for a non-hybrid production gasoline engine. This directly translates to better fuel economy. Dual injection system. D4S. It combines both port fuel injection, PFI, and direct injection, DI. This system helps prevent carbon buildup on the intake valves, a common problem with purely direct injected engines, and optimizes fuel delivery for various engine loads, enhancing both power and efficiency. On-demand Atkinson cycle. This technology allows the engine to switch between Otto and Atkinson cycles, maximizing fuel efficiency during light loads, like cruising, and providing more power when needed. VVTIE, electronic variable valve timing. This advanced variable valve timing system, particularly on the intake camshaft, contributes to improved responsiveness and efficiency across the RPM range. Cooled EGR, exhaust gas recirculation. This system further improves thermal efficiency and helps reduce emissions. Smooth operation. Many reviews highlight the engine's refinement and smooth power delivery, contributing to a comfortable driving experience. Disadvantages. Complexity. The advanced technologies, dual injection, VVTi, sophisticated EGR, etc., make the engine more complex than older designs. This can lead to potentially more expensive repairs if something goes wrong, and specialized tools/knowledge might be required. Potential for costly major repairs. Similar to the M20A FKS, some sources suggest that features like laser-clad valve seats and cast-in cylinder sleeves might make major engine rebuilding less feasible, potentially leading to engine replacement as the more economical solution in severe cases. EGR system issues. Emerging some reports, particularly from mechanics, point to the EGR system as a potential weak point in early dynamic force engines, including the A25A. Specific issues mentioned include corrosion and leaks in EGR coolers. Early models, up to early 2022, have been reported to have EGR coolers that corrode and leak coolant into the engine. While Toyota has issued recalls in some regions, e.g., China and Japan, it has been handled as warranty work or case-by-case in other markets like the US and Canada. Condensation and emulsification with oil. There are discussions about condensation from the EGR system getting trapped in the engine and emulsifying with the oil, which can trigger fault codes and sometimes cause rough idling. Toyota has reportedly acknowledged this issue, but a definitive fix beyond oil/filter changes and code clearing hasn't been widely publicized. Fuel system complexity. Some experts find the fuel system overtly complex for its power output, potentially leading to unnecessary induction cleaning services being pushed on customers. Faults and breakdowns. While the A25 FKS is generally reliable, some specific issues have been noted. EGR system. As detailed above, the EGR cooler leaking and condensation issues are the most frequently cited potential problems. Piston recall, limited batch safety recall, J0M, for a limited number of 2018 Camry models involved slightly oversized pistons. This was addressed by Toyota, often leading to engine replacement for affected vehicles. High-pressure fuel pump. Some specific series in early 2023 have had issues with the high-pressure fuel pump, leading to recalls. It's important to differentiate between isolated incidents or early production quirks and widespread systemic failures. Toyota generally addresses known issues through technical service bulletins, TSBs, recalls, or warranty programs. Fuel consumption. The A25 FKS is highly praised for its fuel efficiency due to its advanced design, including high thermal efficiency and Atkinson cycle operation. Fuel economy figures vary depending on the vehicle model and whether it's a gasoline-only or hybrid application. A25 FXS for hybrid. Gasoline only. For models like the Toyota Camry, expect combined fuel consumption in the range of 6.8 L/100 km, around 34 to 35 mpg US. Hybrid A25 AFXS hybrid versions achieve even better fuel economy, often in the range of 4.5 to 5.0 L/100 km, around 47 to 52 mpg US combined. Timing. The Toyota A25 FKS engine utilizes a timing chain. This is a significant advantage as timing chains are designed to last the life of the engine and typically do not require periodic replacement like timing belts, saving on long-term maintenance costs. Oil. Viscosity. The primary recommended oil viscosity for the A25 FKS is SA0W16. If 0W16 is unavailable, SAE0W20 may be used temporarily, but it should be replaced with 0W16 at the next oil change. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the most accurate and up-to-date recommendations. Capacity. Approximately 4.5 to 4.8 quarts, 4.3 to 4.5 liters with a filter change. Recommendations. Use high-quality synthetic motor oil that meets Toyota's specifications. Adhering to regular oil change intervals is crucial for the longevity of this technically advanced engine. Some independent mechanics or enthusiasts might recommend shorter oil change intervals than the factory's often extended recommendations, especially for vehicles driven in demanding conditions. Versions. The 25 FKS designation breaks down as follows. A. Engine series, part of the dynamic force engine family. 25, 2.5-liter displacement. A. Specific engine variant within the 2.5 series. F. Normal cylinder head DOHC. K. On-demand Atkinson cycle in non-hybrid engines. S. D. 4S gasoline direct injection. The primary variant is the A25 AFXS, where the X denotes its application in hybrid vehicles. The hybrid version typically has a higher compression ratio, e.g. 14.0 to 1, and is optimized to work with the electric motor system. The A25 AFKS engine powers a wide range of Toyota and Lexus vehicles globally, including Toyota Camry, 1570 generation and newer, Toyota RAV4, XA50 generation and newer in some markets, Lexus ES 250, Lexus NX 250, Toyota Avalon in some markets, Toyota Sienna in some markets, often as part of a hybrid system. History. The A25 FKS engine was officially unveiled by Toyota in late 2016 as a core component of their new powertrain units built upon the Toyota New Global Architecture (TNGA) platform. It began appearing in production vehicles, notably the redesigned 2018 Toyota Camry 1570, and subsequently expanded to other TNGA-based models. This engine represents Toyota's commitment to advancing internal combustion engine technology, pushing the boundaries of thermal efficiency and integrating sophisticated features to meet increasingly stringent emissions regulations while offering strong performance and improved fuel economy. It effectively replaced older 2.5 engines, like the 2ARFE in many of Toyota's midsize offerings. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.